welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Emmy here today. Today is Sunday and it starts to be very hot now. Like we are going into summer now in Western Australia. I have to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I have seen a lot of new subscribers and I have to say I thank you so much guys for all your support and you like what I do, and I promise you I will keep going and adding more video, and I hope most of everything I do and my video will give you inspiration to do all your crafting project. So today I was very exciting to show you my newest Halloween junk journal notebook that I finished. This year, I already made about 3 Halloween junk journal notebook with this kind of style. And all of them is already sold out. A lot of people have asking me if I can be able to make it again. So this one, I just finishing it. I'm super excited to show you. And I can say this one will be my last Halloween junk journal notebook for the year 2020. So because this one is the last Halloween junk journal notebook, so I was giving this handmade pin bag is 2.5 inch pin bag. I was making this because I have my button machines. So this button will be a gift for anyone who purchased this journal notebook. So you guys will receive this very cute pin bag, and this is the character from the Adventure Time, and on the here it says bite me, yeah. And also you guys also gonna receive, whoever bought this journal will gonna receive the Halloween paper doll. So you will receive this guy as well as a gift. So this is the special for anyone who bought this junk journal notebook. This junk journal notebook, I can say, is very fun to make. If you like this kind of journal notebook and you just first time visit my YouTube channel, you can be able to check out any other previous video that I uploading. It have kind of same style with this journal, with its different design inside, different front cover, and different vintage Halloween ephemera inside as well. This journal is measure 8 times 5.5 inch. It contains 65 pages. It have about 50 ephemera inside this fun journal. This journal is different from other kind of journal because, as you can see, when it's very easy for you to write down short note or drawing picture because you can lay it down flat and it's very easy to dry. I have adding a lot of envelope, a lot of journaling card, a lot of die cut, Halloween vintage die cut, and a lot of gift tag. And also I adding Halloween fabric tags as well, so you can be able to cut this out, decorate to your journaling card. There's so many journaling card and Halloween photo for you to journaling on the back. You can turn this to be gift tag for Halloween gift tag or anything you would like to do with your own creation. And I have to say I'm very happy how this journal turned out, and I will not talk anymore because I will go through every page with you. I don't want to talk much. I'm gonna go through every page with you in this journal, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and I hope you get an inspiration to make a Halloween junk journal notebook. If you have any question, you can leave the comment down below. I will try to reply you within 24 hours. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this flip through video, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumb up, and I'll see you guys next time.